Okay, someone asked me to do a tutorial on how to do a ponytail. So let me show y'all how I do my ponytail. You get your brush. You want to brush your hair. And you don't need 4 scoops of hair. You only need 2. Okay? Because when you go out in public, you want all eyes to be on you. Okay? So you brush your hair up. Okay? Now you get your ponytail holder. You put it on your 3 fingers like this. This hand here is to grip your 2 scoops from the side. This hand here, you grip the other like this. Now, you this hand here, you grab the hair ponytail, put it on your hair like this. Now you wrap it around and then you bring it back. Okay? Now y'all see 2 scoops, right? Now, this here is the perfect ponytail.